Let us see this question. Here numerator is 0 to n integration of your greatest integer function x dx, and 0 to n, and inside the curly bracket, that is within second bracket, it is given. So it means the fractional part of x, and you can say it's the integral part of x. It means if x is your suppose 5.7, then integral part is 5 and fractional part is your 0.7. So let us try how to find out this. For this, first of all, let us calculate separate way numerator. Numerator is your integration 0 to n integral part of x and dx. It is your numerator. And for this, you can, n is any positive, any natural number or positive integer, you can say. So it can be expanded like this: 0 to 1, then between 0 to 1, it means you are taking the value of x between 0 to 1. Then it will be just 0. That is between 0 to 1, what type of numbers comes? 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.9, it's like that. So integral part is always 0, and it is saying that take the integral part. So dx. And now continue this. 1 to 2. Between 1 and 2, it will be 1 point something. So integral part is 1 dx. Plus 2 to 3. Integral part is your what? 2 dx. That means you just think like that way. Lower limit 2, upper limit 3. That means x varies in between 2 and 3. It means value of x is 2 point something. So integral part is 2. That's why I have written 2 directly. And you can continue this integration n minus 1 up to n. Then here what will come? Now you can understand it, that it will be n minus 1 dx. Now say it is to 0 plus integration of dx, that will be x, and it will be 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 1, plus 2 is constant out, and it is your integration of dx only, that is x. Limit is what? 2 to 3, that is 3 minus 2, 1. 2 into 1, that will be 2. Now I think you understood the fact. So that way, here what you will get? N minus 1 plus so on, n minus 1 out, and difference of these two will be your just 1. Now you see, sum of all the numbers from 1 to n minus 1. It is nothing but n minus 1 into n divided by 2. That means value of the numerator you have calculated. Next, let us, the important part is your denominator. That is, now denominator given as integration 0 to n fractional part of x dx. You see, suppose x is your 7.5, then integral part of x, that is within third bracket x, integral part of x, that is your what? 7. Fractional part is what? This is the fractional part. This is your 0 0.7, sorry, 0 0.5. This is your 0 0.5. That means, taking some particular example, let me explain the facts. That is, x is suppose 7.5. Then integral part of that is what? 7. And fractional part is what? 0 0.5. Now, the fractional part, this fractional part is nothing but x minus integral part of x. X is your what? 7.5. And your integral part is your what? Minus 7. You will get 0 0.5. I think it's clear to you. Okay, let me explain taking some other example here. Suppose x is your 6.2. Now just using some symbol, integral part of x, it is your 6. fractional part of x, that is your 0.2. This step is clear. Now, if you subtract the integral part from x, that is your 6.2 minus, that is your value of x I have written, and integral part is what? 6. That's equal to what? 0.2. Now you see, this is your fractional part, and in the right hand side x minus, this is your integral part of x. It's clear? So therefore, what you can write here, integration 0 to n, you can write x minus integral part of x, this within bracket dx. So this way we can write the denominator. Now integration 0 to n x dx minus integration 0 to n integral part of x and dx. That's it. So this is nothing but x square by 2, and put the limit 0 to n minus, this value already have calculated, n times n minus 1 times n divided by what? 2. Let me write here. This is equal to, from here I am coming here, n square by 2 minus 0, it is just n square by 2, minus here it is n, multiply this n square minus n divided by 2. And if you simplify this, so n square by 2, n square by 2 minus n square by 2 plus n by 2 is coming, equal to, these two cancelled out, only n by 2 left. So denominator we have calculated as n by 2. Therefore, value of integral I you can write now. So I is equal to, that is numerator by denominator. Numerator is what? N minus 1 times n by 2. N minus 1 times n by 2. Whole thing divided by denominator, which is your n by 2. So into, you can write 2 by n. Therefore, n cancel out, 2 cancel out. Answer is n minus 1. The value of this integral is your n minus 1. By solving this problem, you understood how to find integral of this, how to find integral of fractional part of x. Everything is clear. Now, you see the option, which option is matching with this n minus 1, that option is here. D is the correct option. So your D is the correct option.